Kirshner Farmstead. If you are new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today is day 2 of our freezer meal prep, okay? We are going to be making shepherd's pie, but I do have a little bit of a different recipe for you. We are going to be doing half potatoes and half biscuits on the top, okay? So you are going to fry up your hamburger and all of your seasonings, get your potatoes peeled and cut, and then boil your potatoes just like you would normally, okay? And then when you are going to add in your ingredients into the meat, you are going to add your chicken broth in, and then you're going to make sure that you add a little bit of it into your cornstarch, making a slurry so that your cornstarch does not clump, okay? Make sure that your chicken broth is not hot, because if your chicken broth is hot, then it will clump immediately, okay? So make sure you pay attention to that. Now, I am a fan of adding in any kinds of vegetables that you like, okay? So, of course, peas, carrots, and corn are going to be the standard that you will typically see in a shepherd's pie. I like to put in zucchini. I like to put in mushrooms sometimes. Honestly, I will put in whatever vegetables that I have on hand. You could even, if you like greens, you could put in kale, anything like that. So for this one, we are going to be using onions, corn, zucchini, and carrots, but you can use, like I said, whatever you have on hand, okay, you guys? Now, for the mashed potatoes, I am going to be putting in butter, a half of a block of cream cheese, and salt and pepper and some milk, okay? You do your potatoes however you like to do them, all right? Justin really likes the loaded baked potato flavor, so that's why we put the cream cheese into ours. All right, now, so the reason why we do half biscuits and half potatoes is because Justin is very spoiled, okay? He is not a huge fan of potatoes, so I started making our shepherd's pie with drop biscuits with cheese on half of it, and it is so delicious, you guys. I highly recommend trying it. Now, do you remember the drop biscuits that we had from the other day? Okay, so you're gonna pull some of those out of your freezer and get them onto this shepherd's pie. Now, you are going to top it with whatever kind of cheese that you want. I had mozzarella in the fridge, so that is what I use, but you can use cheddar, you can use a combination, you can use whatever you want and whatever you have on hand, okay? All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye.